Decomposition refers to the process of a body rotting after death. It can take anywhere from 2 weeks to several months to indefinitely in the case of mummification. There are 5 main stages of decay. There are several factors that can affect how long decomposition takes, from rainfall and humidity to temperature to where the body was left, clothing, even what the person ate before they died can affect how long decomposition takes. There are 5 main stages of decay: fresh, bloat, active decay, advanced decay, and dry remains. Though in the case of mummification, stages might be skipped or simply halted entirely, thus causing the mummification. The first stage is the fresh stage, which starts immediately after the heart stops. Because the heart is stopped, no blood flows, and thus it drains to the lowest points of the body, leaving a distinctive reddish-brown tinge called livor mortis, or lividity. Muscles begin to stiffen in the process known as rigor mortis. Rigor mortis can last about 48 hours total. The body also begins to cool steadily in the process known as algor mortis. Body temperature can be measured and used to calculate approximate time of death. Within hours of death, cells begin to break down and digest themselves in a process known as autolysis. Bacteria come to the area to feed on these digesting cells. Within 24 hours, flies will come to lay eggs in the corpse, barring bad weather or temperature extremes. The next stage is the bloat stage, which lasts about a week in total. Bacteria feeding on burst cells create gas that cause the body to swell and possibly rupture. Marbling becomes visible as skin breaks down, showing veins underneath. Skin slippage can also occur at this stage. Maggots feast on the body in great numbers. The third stage is active decay. Soft tissues in the body begin to liquefy and seep into the surrounding area. The end of active decay is marked by maggots leaving to pupate. The fourth stage is advanced decay. Decomposition begins to slow as soft tissue is largely decomposed and insects have left. The final stage is dry remains. All that remains of the cadaver is bones and dried skin. Corpses that have been mummified skip the other stages and end up at this one, whether naturally or intentionally.